Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track unit out of a Lincoln Continental Mark III. I'm not sure the year, that wasn't marked down, but it's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and the USB features, and we're going to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I receive in my area, so I can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio. So here we go, let's turn it on. AM.
By who? Could you guess? I don't know if you read. You may have read this, Fast Eddie. Who do you think a plurality of Democrats support right behind
virtual balance and fader adjustments?
Number 2 Democrat. Keep boot, edge, edge.
Okay.
Boot, that's right.
Front rear fader.
Boot, edge, edge.
Let's start with the tone control and center position. Here we go.
Do you think?
Fader adjust.
Okay.
No, but I kind of hope so.
All the way
because I was
front.
hearing Trump talk about him.
All the way rear.
Boot, edge, edge. Boot.
Front.
Boot, edge, edge.
Rear.
Boot, edge, edge.
Okay, I'm going to center him.
How to say his name. Boot, edge, edge.
That's right.
Fader set. Okay. Left, right, balance.
Edge, edge, edge. Boot, edge, edge.
I just...
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left.
Talking about Mayor Pete.
All the way right. Left.
AOC.
Right.
Lunatic Tim Walls,
Okay,
and oh, look here, in a
again.
tie for third place, it's Tim.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Make sure it plays music stored on a... Don't need this stuff anymore. Make sure it plays music off the USB stick.
Chief to himself since he was in a onesie.
Classic ride, got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Crap that's going to sneak in there.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and on an AM only radio, you switch between AM and FM by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test.
And it is rich in critical minerals used in technology.
One thing. To have faith to escape.
Purchase your campsite pass while they last.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Get out and circulate. She's found a bug of love. And I howled like a big baboon. So I wished for there are plenty of pebbles.
Okay, end of a song there. Good time to check for head alignment. Okay, no crosstalk, that's good. We'll wait for the next song to start.
Don't underestimate. Gotta travel.
Okay, we're going to eject the tape. Just like that. All right, now one thing I'll point out on this Lincoln Mark III unit is there's a really strong failure trend of the eject solenoid burning out, and it's eventually probably going to happen to all machines. No one makes these solenoids anymore, so I have installed a lever in place of the in place of the balance control. That's why we're using our virtual left and right balance control. So this is no longer the balance slider, it is now the eject. When you put a tape in, this will pop out a little bit, and then to eject the tape, just press on that and it'll push that tape out far enough that you can get a hold of it. So that takes care of that. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. It has all my options, prices, and turn times, including options for turnaround time, that is, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. Once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening. And this comes from Bon in Orlando, Florida. Thank you very much, Bon, for your business from clear across the country, and we'll see you guys next time.